In a rapidly changing business environment, agility in organizational design is crucial for long-term success. Companies that can adapt quickly to market shifts, technological advancements, and evolving customer needs gain a competitive advantage. Agility is not just about speed, it's about building a flexible, responsive structure that fosters innovation, efficiency, and resilience. What is agility in organizational design? Agility in organizational design refers to the ability of a company to adjust its structure, processes, and decision-making approaches in response to change. Unlike rigid hierarchical models, agile organizations are dynamic, allowing teams to pivot and innovate without unnecessary delays or bureaucracy. Key characteristics of agile organizations: 1. Decentralized decision-making. Employees at all levels are empowered to make decisions, reducing bottlenecks and increasing responsiveness. 2. Cross-functional teams. Agile organizations break down silos by creating teams with diverse skills, enabling faster problem-solving and innovation. 3. Rapid experimentation and learning. A culture of continuous improvement allows companies to test new ideas, measure results, and adjust strategies quickly. 4. Technology-driven operations. Digital tools enhance collaboration, automation, and data-driven decision-making, making organizations more responsive to change. Benefits of agility in organizational design. 1. Faster adaptation to market changes. Organizations can quickly pivot strategies to address emerging trends and disruptions. 2. Higher employee engagement and productivity. Teams work more efficiently when they have autonomy and clear objectives. 3. Improved customer satisfaction. Agile companies respond to customer needs faster, leading to stronger relationships and brand loyalty. 4. Enhanced innovation. An adaptive structure encourages experimentation, creativity, and out-of-the-box thinking. Challenges of implementing agility. 1. Balancing stability and flexibility. Too much change can create confusion, while too little can lead to stagnation. 2. Leadership buy-in and cultural shift. Leaders must embrace agile principles and foster a mindset of adaptability. 3. Coordination across teams. Effective communication and alignment are essential to ensure agility doesn't lead to chaos. Strategies for building an agile organization. 1. Adopt a modular structure. Instead of rigid departments, create flexible units that can be reconfigured based on evolving business needs. 2. Empower teams with autonomy. Give teams the authority to make decisions within defined guidelines to enhance responsiveness. 3. Invest in digital transformation. Leverage AI, automation, and cloud technologies to enable real-time decision-making and collaboration. 4. Encourage a growth mindset. Train employees and leaders to embrace change, experimentation, and continuous learning. Final thoughts. Agility in organizational design is no longer optional. It's a necessity for survival in an unpredictable business landscape. Companies that build adaptive structures will thrive in times of uncertainty, outpacing competitors and creating long-term value. In the next lesson, we'll explore case studies of businesses that have successfully embraced agility and the key takeaways from their transformation.